Welcome to our video. I'm going to tell you how to watch Netflix on Android Auto. By default, Android Auto blocks video playback while driving. But with a simple workaround, you can still stream movies and shows on your car's display. The most common method is using third-party apps like CarStream or AA Mirror, which lets you mirror your phone directly into Android Auto. To do this, first enable developer settings in the Android Auto app on your phone, then install CarStream or AA Mirror from a trusted source. Once connected, open the app through your Android Auto dashboard and launch Netflix. It will play right on your car screen. Another option is full screen mirroring with compatible head units, which also lets you run Netflix and other streaming apps. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe for more useful content.